You all can play, but I can't.
Don't be sad, my friend. You are a robot, so intelligent and full of knowledge.
But I can't play like you all.
Hey everyone, come here.
What's wrong?
Gogu is sad because he can't play like us.
Oh no, let's include Gogu in something fun.
I have an idea. Let's solve a coding problem together. Gogu will enjoy that.
That's a great idea. Let's go to my study room.
I'll help you with the coding.
Nope. This time, you relax and just check our coding like a teacher.
Okay, I'm watching.
Show us the problem.
Let's talk about the data. What do we need?
Just the total number of students.
Agreed.
How about we use NOS for the number of students?
Sounds good.
Let's write the code.
After that, we'll divide by 5 to form the groups.
Oh yeah, but which math symbol?
Think carefully.
Double slash, because you can't divide students into fractions.
Right, here's the next line.
Great, but remember to convert NOS to a number.
Oh yes, thanks, Gogu.
Now, let's display the result.
Time to test it.
In my class, we have 25 students, so I'll enter 25.
Wow,
works.
it works.
How was it, Teacher Gogu?
Very good, children.
Wait, what about extra students? In Sarah's class, they have 27 students.
Oh no, we didn't think about the leftover students.
There's a special operator in Python for that, but I'll let your teacher explain tomorrow.
Exciting, I can't wait to learn about it.
Same here, but it's time to go home. See you all tomorrow.
Yes.
Hi, friends. In today's episode, Aadi and his friends learned how to group students using coding. They used division to figure out how many groups could be made. Next time, they'll discover a special way to handle extra students. So don't forget to watch the next episode of Aadi and Gogu. Until then, keep coding. And remember, there's always a fun way to solve problems.